Hey there, Vangabonders. On this episode, you're going to watch us get the front ready for the new nose and the new floor. Always wear your safety gear. Now we beat this down until it gets relatively flat so that we can trace it. Oh yeah, and the safety gear, spot weld remover tool, not wearing gloves, almost spot weld removed my hand. I don't know what I'm doing, man. Now we shall get the general curve and shapeature of this. This is the middle, technically. I don't know what this hole is for, but I'll just put that. There's no way this is gonna work, is there?
I don't see why it would. You can always cut off.
So as you can see, this is a very accurate replacement panel. This is the cut is at the top and the bottom is a 45-degree bend. We don't know how long it needs to be, but we're gonna guess it's gonna probably come out somewhere to like here. That bottom part's too long at the moment. Got about an inch. Guess we gotta bend it. I just know, I could feel the hate comments.
That looks difficult. That looks difficult.
Well, the question is, how do I give it the other bend? Holy Lord, how am I going to bend this now? So after trying to make it fit and spending more time than I'd like to admit on this piece here, I've realized I know where it belongs. Things don't always work out the way you want them to. So what I had to do is go ahead and bite the bullet and order the new piece, which they don't even make for the 73s. I had to get the 72. Supposed to fit. I don't know. It fits. I know it fits. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna finish removing these spot welds, get this whole piece out, and then when the new piece comes in, we'll fit it. In the meantime, the nose has arrived, which means we can begin prepping for the nose. See, these spot welds have already been ground flat. We've got to get this piece up here off because the new nose has that built in. I'm not exactly sure how that works because these seem to be in a different spot than where the other one is. You're also going to see us spend a bit of time in here. Some rust reformation has already been done in here, but a little bit more needs to be done. We obviously got to get this dog leg on. And then here's my order of operations. Step 1, put that new piece in. Step 2, rust prevent coating on all of this, whether that means getting all the rust off and then epoxy priming it or POR 15, I'm not quite sure yet. Step 3, modify the floor to make it fit because they don't make the funky green floor anymore. Gerson, I'm talking to you. Once the floor fits and it's all spot welded in, then we shall go ahead and put the new nose on. I just want to make sure that everything in here is done before putting the nose, because there's no rush to get the nose on, even though I do want this to start looking like a bus again. Oh, one more thing. Once the nose is fit, we can cut open this A-pillar, weld the inner structure, and then we can finally remove all the bracing because everything else is already welded, save for the A-pillars. Once they're welded, we're getting that much closer to getting this bus on the road.
Like, we're gonna have to pour some kind of...
We're gonna pour Osmo in there. So we're removing most of the components from the front frame. Since we're planning on POR 15ing this frame, just decided it'd be a good idea to remove the steering box. You're gonna need one of these Pitman arm pullers, which thankfully I have because I rented the tool from AutoZone and, well, now I own it. Because if you don't return it within 30 days, it becomes yours and they take the deposit. So don't do that. But anyways, this is a tool you need. Even with this tool, apparently it's not very easy. It's really on there. It probably hasn't been taken off since the bus was built in 1973. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna need to get that pole over there. So she really don't want to come off, but she's got to be able to.
How are you gonna get that back on is my question.
They go on easier than they come off. Yeah, I gotta change positions here. Whoa. Whoa. Damn, son. I don't think it's supposed to be that hard. It's definitely rusted on. I need to give it a few hammer whacks. Sound of sweet release. And then she just comes right off, you know? Just like that. You need this tool. You need it. There's just no way around it. And we could clean her up and get her looking all nice and sweet. In this cup we have Ospo, which is like some kind of phosphoric acid. And as you can see, wherever there's clean metal, well, let's see. Let's keep going across here. You can see it starts to eat the clean metal. You can see it change colors right before your eyes as the acid reacts with it. But this is supposed to neutralize the rust that we couldn't get off. See how well that works out. Heard good things about it. I'm gonna let that sit on there and then clean it off with some water, let it dry, and we should be able to POR 15 it. Mallory doing her thing, removing stuff and things. So if you've made it this far in the video, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment, and there will be more content coming. It's just, it gets very expensive buying all these parts. So if you'd like to support the channel, make sure to look at the episode where we're parting out a bus. You can buy a part, any little part, and you can donate whatever you want for it. Just pay shipping. You don't have to donate anything, but you can donate if you want to. I hate asking for money, but I want to keep making content. And as you can see, we're working on her every single day, trying to make videos and just get this thing on the road, show you guys what it takes, and just having fun doing it, sort of, when I'm not super stressed out. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next one.
Bye.